if you're experiencing crashing issues with your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow this easy guide to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System Software, and select System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix corrupted data. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Step 3. Free up storage space. Insufficient storage can cause crashes. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check how much space is available. Delete any unnecessary games or applications to free up space. Step 4. Check for faulty hardware. Inspect your PS5 for any physical damage or overheating. Ensure that it is in a well-ventilated area and not obstructed by dust or debris. If you suspect hardware issues, consider contacting support. Step 5. Restore default settings. If problems persist, restoring default settings may help. Go to Settings, then System, and select Reset options. Choose Reset to default settings to reset your console without deleting your data. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance. Happy gaming!